This year is my first year balik beraya with Malai Zai and I nak pergi cari baju raya dekat PKNS.
There's so much of food here. Boleh berbuka puasa dekat sini. Ada kek karami juga. Bolehlah cuba.
Okay, babe. Tema kita tahun ni adalah warna hijau. Saya nak pakai baju yang macam mana?
Okay, I want to get baju kurung dengan selendang ke tepi tu.
Okay, jom.
Jom!
So many pretty options. I dah lari tema dah. I dah boleh plan to the next 5 years punya outfit dekat sini.
Cantiknya semua macam mana nak pilih.
Then okay, we're back on track. I'm looking for something that's green.
How about this?
Honestly, there is so many shops here and the price range is pretty decent. And I finally found what I wanted.
This is the winner! Masuk yang kita cari selendang
You can even look for all these cylinder. I feel like there are like literally millions of shades.
I think it matches. Like that. I'm wearing this.
Then of course we need some
So
accessories.
bling bling.
Honestly, total of everything, I think I spent on about 150.
And we're done! Selamat Hari Raya guys!
Maaf Zahir dan Batin.